Forget everything you think you know about Afghanistan. Look beyond the headlines, beyond the news cycles, and see a land bathed in the golden light of a new day. This is Afghanistan, a country of staggering beauty, where mountains pierce the sky and history whispers from every stone. As the sun rises over Kabul, a city awakens not to the echoes of conflict, but to the gentle rhythms of daily life. Come, walk with me. See families gathering for breakfast, the aroma of fresh naan bread filling the air. Hear the laughter of children as they make their way to school, their futures as bright as their curious eyes. This is the Afghanistan of prayer and quiet reflection, of shared cups of tea that strengthen bonds between neighbors and friends. It's a land where tradition is not a relic of the past, but the very fabric of the present. Let's lose ourselves in the vibrant chaos of a local bazaar. Here, the soul of Afghanistan is on full display. Marvel at the intricate patterns of hand-woven carpets, each thread telling a story passed down through generations. Breathe in the exotic scents of saffron, cardamom, and cumin, a symphony of spices that defines Afghan cuisine. Every corner reveals another treasure, another piece of artistry, another testament to a culture rich with creativity and faith. And what about the women of Afghanistan? Look closely. You'll see them not as victims, but as pillars of their communities. They are artisans, their hands weaving beauty into the world. They are teachers, shaping the minds of the next generation. They are mothers, sisters, and daughters, their smiles radiating a strength and a hope that no hardship can extinguish. Their resilience is the heartbeat of this nation, a quiet power that endures and inspires. Our journey takes us further, into the heart of this incredible landscape. We stand in awe in the Bamiyan Valley, where history stands silent and profound. We witness the impossible blue of the Bande Amir Lakes, a string of sapphire jewels nestled in the Hindu Kush. We travel dusty desert roads and wind our way through remote mountain villages, where the hospitality is as vast as the vistas. Each stop is a reminder that this is a land made for travelers, for dreamers, for those who seek the unexpected. As daylight fades, another side of Afghanistan emerges. The sky fills with colorful kites dancing on the evening breeze, a symbol of freedom and joy. The streets glow under the setting sun as people gather once more. Over another cup of tea, stories are shared, friendships are rekindled, and the day comes to a peaceful close. The sounds are not of sirens, but of children playing, their joyful shouts echoing into the twilight. This is the Afghanistan that rarely makes the news. A land of breathtaking beauty, a culture of profound depth, and a people of unbreakable spirit. It's a place of hope, of resilience, and of a quiet dignity that will stay with you long after the screen fades to black. This is the real Afghanistan. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If this story moved you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more stories that connect us all. See you next time.